Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the left side door hinge in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, 5/16" nut driver, pair of pliers, and a homemade support strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door hinge. The door hinges allow the door to be opened and closed easily. This hinge is located on the left side of the door. The main reasons why the door hinge should be replaced are if it's badly bent or is broken, making opening and closing of the door a difficult task and loud. Open the lint screen door and pull out the lint screen. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 2 screws out from under the lint door. Make sure they're not going to go inside the lint chute. Use some kind of a homemade device to support the top when it's open. In my case, I'm going to tape it to the surface because there's no hole on the top. Press your knee against the front panel, grab the top panel with both hands by its sides, and pull it forward to unlock from the plastic clips. Hook up the strap. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the tabs and disconnect the wire plug. Using the 5/16" nut driver, take 2 screws that hold the front cabinet panel out. Leave the front panel off the clips. Support the drum and remove the panel. Place the front panel on the floor. Using the pliers, remove both door springs. Lift up and secure the front panel. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, take 4 screws that hold the hinge out and remove it. Please pay attention that the screws from the door and from the cabinet are different. The machine screw goes into the front cabinet panel, and the sheet metal screw goes into the door. Don't mix them up. They look very different. This is the old door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new hinge into the cutout in the panel and secure to the 4 Phillips screws. Place the front panel on the floor. Using the pliers, install the door springs on the hinge. And install the front panel on the side clips. Lift the drum push it in and secure it with the 2 5/16" screws. Reconnect the door switch plug. All right, now we can remove the holding strap and close the top. Push it down till it locks. Then I'm going to remove that duct tape. Secure the top to the lint chute with 2 Phillips screws. Insert the lint screen in and close the lint door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.